Welcome back to Smart Architectural Programming. Today, we're diving into the world of scroll-triggered animations using ScrollTrigger plugin. Scroll-triggered animations are powerful for creating engaging and interactive websites that react to user scrolling. In this tutorial, we'll build a simple yet impactful animation that scales an image and changes the appearance of sections as the user scrolls. Let's start by breaking down our HTML structure. We have a wrapper div that houses two main elements, content and image container. The content div contains multiple sections, including a hero section and two gradient sections. The image container holds an image that will animate as the user scrolls. This container is positioned absolutely to overlay the content beneath it, allowing us to create a parallax effect. Now, let's take a look at the CSS. We start with a simple reset using the universal selector to ensure that all elements have consistent margins and paddings. The wrapper and content classes are set to relative positioning to maintain their placement in the layout, while the image container is absolutely positioned, ensuring it stays at the top of the viewport. Each dot section inside the content div is set to take up the full height of the viewport, 100 VH, making it perfect for scroll-triggered animations. The hero section is styled with a full-screen background image to create a visually striking entry point. Finally, the image container is styled to fill the entire viewport, with a perspective property set to 500 px, which will be crucial for our 3D scaling effect. Here's where the magic happens, our JavaScript. We're using GSAP, a powerful animation library, along with its ScrollTrigger plugin. The first step is to register the ScrollTrigger plugin with GSAP using GSAP. Register plugin ScrollTrigger. We then add an event listener for the load event to ensure our animation initializes only after the entire page is loaded. The GSAP timeline begins by targeting our .wrapper div as the trigger element. The start and end properties define when the animation starts and ends relative to the viewport. Setting pin true keeps the section in place while the animation occurs, creating a parallax effect. Next, we scale the image to twice its original size and move it along the z-axis, z, 350, to give it a 3D feel as the user scrolls. The ease, power 1 dot in out ensures a smooth transition. Simultaneously, the dot section. Hero scales slightly, scale, 1.1, to emphasize the 3D effect, all happening within the same timeframe, thanks to the use of the timelines operator. The result is a seamless, interactive experience where the content comes alive as the user scrolls. And that's it. You've just created an impressive scroll-triggered animation using GSAP and ScrollTrigger. This technique is perfect for adding depth and interactivity to your web designs, making them more engaging and memorable. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to explore our other videos for more web design and animation tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.